It's a standalone ECU.
Impact ECU.
Yeah, do not open or avoid the warranty. See that?
Don't mess with it.
Avoid the warranty.
So why the Impact ECU with these newer model M8 touring bikes?
It wakes them up like you can't believe. It's like putting a Motec in a GSXR.
Yeah.
It's the ultimate. It's the ultimate in ECUs. Basically, it gives you parameters to do anything you want. Anything you want. And it does not lose the modes, it does not lose TC, it does not lose anything. And even if you have one in and you buy, say, the garage door opener from Harley Davidson, you can actually pull into Harley, they can plug into it and turn on the garage door opener. So, and I heard the 26s are coming turned on, so you don't have to do that anymore. But the 23.5 to 25s, you gotta actually buy the garage door opener and then take it over to Harley, mount it, take it in, they turn it on in the BCM.
And you're a big software guy. Their software works pretty good.
Their software is like state of the art. It's very easy to use. Big bold prints, got tracers, changes color when I make a change. I can refer back. I can do it. There's a lot of things you can do with it. It's advanced software. The guys that make this are from NHRA drag racing. These guys are used to dealing with 7,000, 8,000, 5,000 horsepower cars.
Damn.
You know, fast, big, nasty vehicles.
Yep.
So they come up with these, works on this. Timing, the NOx sensors work, everything works. We've got guys that have 10,000, 20,000 miles on them, no issues. And if the customer support, his name is Ben, he's like me. You can call him, you can actually get him on the phone.
Yeah.
You want to talk to me, you can get me on the phone.
Yeah, you talk about Ben all the time and how
and he
knowledgeable
he does the same thing, and we both have the same ideas. You know, there's always somebody smarter. So keep your mind open to listening. Even if that guy has some ideas you don't like, but he's got ideas you do like, you learn some. So always have an open mind. This guy, Ben, that owns this, he's a smart son of a bitch. And he's open-minded. He's learned a bunch of things. I've learned a ton of things from him. He's learned a ton of things from me, and it's a really good relationship, and he's not closed-minded.
Now you use the Impact ECU on the built motors.
I even use them on if I change the throttle body and the Gen 2s, I use this.
Okay.
It works better. It's smoother, it's crispier, and they make more horsepower. They really do make more horsepower. If it doesn't have a throttle body and just a cam or a pipe and an air cleaner, you can use Power Vision. It works really good. It works really good. But if we start screwing around with throttle bodies and big pistons and changing a lot of things in map pressures, we just go to this. It just works. It just works, and we're still working on the Power Vision stuff to make it work with the big bodies and all that.
Yeah.
Just it's not as good as this. On a totally stock bike, they actually work pretty good. I get a guy's CVO ST last week with just an air cleaner and a pipe, and with this thing, the standard bikes tuned make about 114, 117. I got 124 out of it, and he got an electric quick shifter, and the throttle ramps are smooth. That jerky shit on the freeway, when you guys set your cruise control and the jerky shit goes away, it's because the throttle is just too sensitive, and you guys hit bumps and your hand actually moves in your throttle. So if you're complaining about that on the freeway where it's jerky, and obviously the roads that are around my place, they're all garbage. That's why we all have to have old leads. But the throttles are so sensitive. So with this, we actually built a dampening map in the twist grip. So it's not so sensitive, but it's still 1-to-1. And all that jerky shit goes away. If you're running a stock bike and you don't like that, just hit your cruise control while you're on the freeway.
So you've trained enough guys that are kind of smattered across the country, like in Florida and Texas, on how to dyno tune that you can ship the customers one of these from your online store, and then they can bring the bike over to one of those shops.
I can, but most of the guys that come to me, we really haven't trained anything on this. Ben is doing a bunch of classes now.
Yeah.
I think he's in Iowa right now doing, with the dealership there, he's training them how to do these. So there's specific guys in the country that know how to do these. You know, you can get a hold of Ben at Impact. You can send him a text, you can send a phone call, an email, and he'll tell you who he trusts around that does these. He's got a handful of guys that he really believes in.
Yeah.
And he's always got everybody's back that deals with it.
Well, I hope Ben has an assistant, because his phone's about to start ringing.
His phone has gone off a hook anyways, and it's just going to get worse because of me. But
so if you're trying to build a Mickey Cohen special.
If you want to buy one and get it in there and then talk to Ben and have him radio in while you're at home just to get you a base to go, You can go right to my website. We sell them right on the website.
Yep.
They'll be drop shipped straight to you. Just let me know.
It's the Mickey Cohen special, the
is what it
ECU
is.
for the MCM special.
Yes, it is.
Cool, buddy.